Hello everyone! Let us make this cute little mandap for our clay Ganesha. Start by covering a piece of cardboard with adhesive glitter foam sheet. And then cut some circles out of red chart paper. Draw a spiral shape on the circle and cut along the line. Start rolling from the outer end all the way to the center. Add a bit of glue on the center of the spiral and press on the rolled part. Hold still for a while for the glue to set. Make as many roses as you need. Also, cut some leaves out of green paper. Now, glue bamboo sticks on the 4 corners of the cardboard. Four more on the top to form a frame. Before we glue the last stick to the frame, hang a piece of cloth to it. Cut the curtain in the center and tie it to the sticks. Cut 4 strips out of a green glitter foam sheet, 3 narrow and 1 broad. Glue the roses and leaves on the broad strip. And then stick it on the top of our frame. Complete it by sticking the narrow strips on the remaining 3 sides of the frame. You may also decorate it further with lace and string lights. That's it. This cute little mandap is ready for our Ganesha. I hope you liked this video. This is your Sue signing off.